Hello, beautiful family. Hope you're doing well. Yes, today I'm back with this work from home opportunity. As you can see on the screen, we are on this website, weworkremotely.com. Yes, go to weworkremotely.com. You will see this position, freelance writer. Yes, you can work from anywhere in the world. So if you click here, you will see it was posted on 19th September this year, just today as I make the video, and only 200 applicants have applied. So it's freelancer writer. So if you want to become freelancer writer, you can just apply to this position. Yes, you can either work full-time or part-time, as you can see on this position. So they say you will be able to choose which project you want to work on, and you can work on your own schedule. Projects are paid hourly, starting at $20 per hour. So they have bonuses as well. Okay, so let's see the responsibility. Come up with diverse conversation, write high quality answers, compare the performance of different AI model, research and fact check AI response. And also here there is qualification. You have to be fluent in English, details oriented, excellent writing and grammar skills, and also strong research and fact checking skills to ensure accuracy and originality of what you are doing. So you can be paid via PayPal. So they said we will never ask for any money from you. You have to understand this. If there is anyone who will come to ask you money, it means this is a scam. So be careful with scam. So and make sure you don't give money at any website. Okay, so here there is this is the kind of job that you will have contract, and also the range of salary between $20 per hour to $25 per hour. Choose your own hour to work with. You can work at any location. This is remote job, and it is only available to choose in the US, UK, Ireland, Canada, Australia, New Zealand as well. So those locations outside of these countries will not see work available on our site. So even though I have signed this is worldwide, but find out they have specified that this is not worldwide. You can work either if you are in US, UK, Ireland, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. So yeah, but guys, you can see there is other positions worldwide. Let's see this one. Online English teacher. You can become online English teacher. This one is 100% remote. Okay, so on We Work Remotely, they always have this position where you can work full-time anywhere you are at. So you can see this one, it's full-time remote. Let's see if they have this qualification. Let's say if you have any question, please contact us via this website. Contact our page. Also, they say choose application process is done online via desktop. Just follow step by step, and system will guide you through it. Okay, there is no anywhere they mention they want for those who are in the US only. So yeah, it means you can apply anywhere you are. As you can see, it's anywhere in the world. So moving on to the next one, they have, let's see the new jobs actually. So if you see this yellow, it means it's new one. Okay, so this is remote AI prompt engineering and evaluation will train. This job was posted 19th and so many people have applied. Okay, so it's gonna be only in US, UK, and Canada only. Alright, so moving on to this job, let's see this website. We Work Remotely was those jobs that I measured to get today. But if you go to this simplyhard.com, you will see operation data entry specialist, US based contract remote. Alright, so you can see this job was posted 5 years ago, and they will request you to have 1 year of experience, and you will be working in data entry. And remember, this is only US based contractors remote. So if you're in the US, you are allowed to apply to these positions. So you can see they say that they have this qualification: high school diploma or equivalent, ideal candidate of her 1 year of experience. Okay, so this is operation data entry specialist, US based contractor. Yes, see this one, data entry specialist remote, is in Arizona, Tampa. If you go to this one, remote file check, so the idea is to give you the idea of the type of the job that you can get to this simplyhard.com. If you go to remote file check, you will see time management, communication skills, those are the qualification, Microsoft Office, high school diploma. And if you go to the task, organize and maintain all company files, create and manage electronic files, develop and maintain a tracking system for physical files. Yeah, here there is requirements. You have to have all this requirement and the benefits. They will recover retirement, they will recover a healthcare plan, and also they will give you training and development. So yeah, so this is two websites that I normally like: simplyhard.com and weworkremotely.com. So guys, I wanted to share with you these jobs. Yes, you can apply to this kind of jobs. I wish you all the best in your application. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. If you are in Africa or elsewhere that I didn't mention to this video, stay tuned, turn on all the notification. Hopefully you find yours in the next video. Good luck guys, I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.